Hey there! So, the problem we are tackling today involves a developer who is using Persist and Servant in the project. In one module, they have defined a convenient type alias and a function to run database queries with a connection pool. In another module, they have several API endpoints where they repeat the same code to run SQL queries with the connection pool. They want to extract this repetitive code into a function to avoid duplication. Now let's delve into the solution. The first step is to create a function called runDbAction with a signature that takes a parameter of type R in a reader T or IO way and returns a result in monado. This function uses liftIO and runReaderT to eliminate the repetition of running SQL queries with the connection pool. Moving on to the next part of the solution, we introduce the specialized definitions that play a key role in our implementation. These definitions include SQL persist T as a type alias for reader T SQL backend, a new type handler A, and the fact that handler is an instance of monad.io. Understanding these specialized definitions helps us create a concise and efficient solution to our problem. Continuing with the solution, we can now utilize the runDbAction function in the context of a project that uses persistent and Servant. By passing in a SQL backend in a SQL persist TIO way, we can streamline the execution of database queries within our Servant API endpoints without unnecessary repetition. In summary, by implementing the runDbAction function and leveraging the specialized definitions provided by Persistent and Servant, we have successfully optimized the codebase by eliminating redundant code in running SQL queries with a connection pool. It's always satisfying to find elegant solutions to coding dilemmas. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any funny coding anecdotes you may have. Happy coding!